In this video, I'll be showing you how you can export Reolink footage for phone. First is to launch the Reolink application on your phone and then log into your camera or the NVR system. Navigate to the playback page for the specific camera whose footage you want to export. So just an option, you can adjust the higher quality or the quality of the video that you want to download. Now select the recording that you want to use, or use the timeline or calendar feature to find the date and time of the recording that you need. Then click the download icon, which is usually in the top right or the bottom of the screen, and adjust the clip length. A new window will allow you to move the timeline markers to select the specific start and end points of the video clip that you want to download. After doing this, just click the download button to start the transfer process and access the downloaded file into your phone. You can also find them within the app's album section. And that's how you can export Reolink footage on your phone, and thank you for listening.